What is the core? Here at Best Day Fitness, we have developed the BEST method, which stands for Better Education and Strength Training. One of the key components of that method is the education. We like to really make sure that people are learning something when they come in to start a program and continue a program with us, whether it's for improvement in their sport, or if it's back rehab, or if it's some kind of special population such as a survivor of a stroke or traumatic brain injury. All of our clients and patients who come into Best Day Fitness are taught what is going on with their body. Now, one of the main factors we focus on is the lower back and the posterior chain of the body, the back of the body. In today's society, in today's fitness industry, there's a lot of emphasis on the front of the body, a lot of the emphasis on the abdominals, because everybody wants a six-pack when they go to the beach, the rectus abdominis and the obliques. Everybody wants that tight midsection. And this area of the body is referred to as the core by most people. Now, at Best Day Fitness, we have a different approach on what the core is, or a different idea on what the core is. And we do agree that every muscle around the spine has to work harmoniously to stabilize the spine, because there's a lot of inner moving parts in between all those discs. A lot of vertebrae laying on top of each other, and they have a specific job of supporting the body. Now, what we focus on is teaching people how to utilize some of these larger muscles in the back of their body. The gluteus maximus, the only muscle in the body that has maximus behind it, and then the latissimus dorsi, which is another large muscle in the back of the body that contributes to spinal stability and overall great posture. Now, the 1, 2, 3, 4 muscles, the lat on the right, the lat on the left, the glute on the right, and the glute on the left, all feed into this little white area, in the center, called your thoracocolumnar fascia. Now, what the thoracocolumnar fascia is kind of like a big tendon attaching all these muscles to the spine. Now, when we sit throughout the day, the muscles that tighten down on the thoracocolumnar fascia become disengaged. And actually, we get pretty darn good at forgetting how to use the glute max and the latissimus dorsi. This is a very big problem in our society today, because we all sit, whether it's for half an hour driving to and from work, or whether it's 8 hours sitting at a desk. Now, every time we sit, the entire posterior chain, and especially the glutes and the latissimus dorsi, they tend to just disengage to the point where we forget how to use them, because we disengage them so often in our lifetime. And this is a big problem for our posture and our spinal mechanics and biomechanics in general. Because without these larger muscle groups of the body doing their job, we have really no ability to get proper core stability or spinal stability. And these muscles in the front of the body become very dominant and can cause a lot of issues with this imbalance between the front and the back of the body. So, moral of the story, one of our underlying philosophies with the BEST method is, before anybody progresses to the next level, we want to teach them how to use the muscles of the back of the body. especially the gluteus maximus and the latissimus dorsi.